Hi dear students, our lesson for today 9 add mixed numbers. First of all, what is the meaning of mixed numbers? As we talked before, mixed numbers are numbers with whole part and the fraction part, like 3 and 5 out of 8. This called mixed number. We have whole part and we have fraction part. To add mixed numbers, we have to revise first how to add fractions with a like denominator. If I have 2 out of 5 plus 1 out of 5, we have here the same denominator. I will keep it as it is 5. What about the numerator? I will add numerators together. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the sum will be 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5 is a proper fraction. What is the meaning of proper fraction? The numerator is less than the denominator. If I have another example, this is the second type of adding fractions. 2 out of 7 plus 6 out of 7. We have two fractions with a like denominator, the same denominator. I will keep it as it is. And start to add the numerators. 2 plus 6 equals 8. So the sum will be 8 out of 7. What's this, teacher? This is called improper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator is greater than the denominator. Can I leave it like this? No, teacher. We have to change it or convert it into mixed number. Into what, teacher? Into mixed number. How? By decomposing. I can decompose 8 out of 7 into two fractions. When we decompose fractions, I will keep 7, the denominator as it is, and try to decompose it into two parts. But listen, we have to decompose it into mixed numbers, so I have to put here whole part. I will put 7 here and 1 here. Equals 7 out of 7 equals 1 plus 1 out of 7. 1 plus 1 out of 7 equals 1 and 1 out of 7. Now, we will learn together how to add mixed numbers. We have here 1 and 2 out of 8, plus 2 and 3 out of 8. What do you notice here? We have fractions with a like denominator, 8 and 8. How can I add the mixed numbers? I can decompose each mixed number into two parts, the whole part and the fraction part. And here, the same, I will decompose it into two parts, the whole part and the fraction part. It will be 1 plus 2 out of 8. We have here plus, I will put it as it is and start to decompose this number. 2 plus 3 out of 8. In this step, I will use addition properties to combine or group the whole parts together and the fraction parts together. I will add 1 plus 2. I will change the order of this add-ins. I will put 2 here and 2 out of 8 here. Plus 2 out of 8 plus 3 out of 8 equals 1 plus 2 equals 3, and we have here the same denominator. I will put it here. 2 plus 3 equals 5. The sum will be 3 and 5 out of 8. Here we have a whole part and what, teacher? Proper fraction. The second example, if I want to add two mixed numbers like 3 and 4 out of 6 plus 2 and 5 out of 6. Two mixed numbers, the whole part, the fraction part, whole part, the fraction part with a like denominator. So I will add the fractions first, then I will add the whole numbers. I will put 6. When we add fractions, we have to put the denominator as it is, 6. 4 plus 5 equals 9. And here, 3 plus 2 equals 5. We have a whole part and improper fraction. Can I keep it like this? No, teacher. Why? We have to put it as proper fraction. I will keep 5 as it is and start to decompose 9 out of 6. To what, teacher? To 6 out of 6 plus 3 out of 6. Teacher, why you put 3 here? Look, 6 plus 3 equals 9. Now I will put 5 plus 6 out of 6 equals 1 plus 3 out of 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And 3 out of 6. Can I keep 3 out of 6 like this? No. Why, teacher? We have to put it in simple form. Keep 6 as it is. Now I will divide up and down by the greatest common factor between 3 and 6. 3 can divide by 3. 6 can divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So the sum will be 6 and 1 out of 2. Page 515, number 3, find each sum. We have 1 and 7 out of 8 plus 1 and 2 out of 8. The first step, we have to add the fraction part. We have here 8 as denominator. I will keep 8 as it is. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Here we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. Teacher, can I keep 9 out of 8 like this? No, teacher. I will decompose 9 out of 8 or convert it into mixed number. I will put 8 as it is, the first step. Then I will ask myself, how many 8s in 9? Only 1 8. How many are left from 9 when we subtract 8? 9 minus 8 equals 1. So 9 out of 8 equals 1 and 1 out of 8. 2 and 9 out of 8 equals, I will keep 2 as it is and put here 1 and 1 out of 8. I will put 1 out of 8 as it is and 2 plus 1 equals 3. Number 4, the first step, I will add the fraction part, which is 4 out of 10 plus 5 out of 10. I will put 10 as it is. 4 plus 5 equals 9. This is called the proper fraction, so I will keep it as it is. I will never change it. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Here, I will add the fraction part first. 2 out of 3 plus 2 out of 3, 4 out of 3. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Now we have here improper fraction. I will convert it into mixed number. At first, keep 5 as it is, plus 4 out of 3. Ask yourself, how many 3's in 4? Only 1. I will write 1, and here 1 out of 3. Equals 5 plus 1 equals 6 and 1 out of 3. Number 6. I will add the fraction part first. Keep 12 as it is. And here 5 plus 11 equals 16. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now I will convert the improper fraction into mixed number. I will keep 10 as it is, plus 16 out of 12. How many 12 in 16? Only 1 12. And how many are left from 16? 4. 4 out of 12. Equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. And 4 out of 12. Can I leave this fraction like this? I have to simplify it. How, teacher? Both of them can divide by 4. Divide by 4 up and down. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. And the 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Find each sum by adding mixed numbers or by adding equivalent fractions. Here we have A, B, C, the steps that I will follow when I add the mixed numbers. The first step, add the fractions. Okay, I will add the fractions. 3 out of 6 plus 4 out of 6, it will be 7 out of 6. Add the whole numbers. I will add the whole numbers. 1 plus 2 equals 3. C, write the fraction as a mixed number. Here we have improper fraction as we said before. So I will convert it into a mixed number. Put 3 plus. We have here the fraction part 7 out of 6. I can write it as a mixed number. I will put 6 as it is. And how many 6 in 7? 7 has only one 6. And how many are left? 1. Now I can add 3 plus 1 equals 4 and 1 out of 6 as it is. So the sum will be 4 and 1 out of 6. Number 10. In number 10 we have another steps. The first step to write the mixed numbers as fractions. How, teacher? I will convert the mixed number into fraction. How? By multiply 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. I will put 9. What about the denominator? I will keep it as it is, 4. And here the same steps. Just keep 4 as it is. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 plus 2 equals 14. Now, teacher, we have two fractions with a like denominator. I will keep that denominator as it is. 9 plus 14 equals 23. After we find the sum as a fraction, this is called improper fraction. We have to convert it into mixed number. I will ask myself, 23 divided by 4 equals what? Equals 5. How many are left? 3. It will be 3 out of 4. Number 11. I will add the fraction part first. 5 plus 4 equals 9 out of 6. 2 plus 5 equals 7. I will keep 7 as it is and start to decompose 9 out of 6. 2. 6 out of 6 plus 3 out of 6 equals 6 out of 6 equals 1. 7 plus 1 equals 8 plus 3 out of 6 is half. So the sum would be 8 and half. Number 13. I will add the fraction part first. Put the denominator as it is. 7 plus 5 equals 12. This improper fraction, we have to convert it into mixed number after we add the whole parts. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Now, teacher, I will convert the fraction part into mixed numbers. Keep 16 as it is and start to decompose this number. 8 out of 8 plus what out of 8? 8 plus what equals 12 plus 4 equals 8 out of 8 equals 1. 16 plus 1 equals 17 plus 4 out of 8 equals half. So the sum will be 17 and half. We finished our video for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time, inshallah. Goodbye.